Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is ClickUp Audio not working 2026. There can be several common reasons. Microphone permissions not enabled. The browser or app may not have access to your microphone. Incorrect audio settings. Wrong input, output device, mic, speakers, or headset may be selected. Device permission issues. System settings may block microphone or audio access. Browser or app issues. Outdated version, bugs, or corrupted cache can affect audio features. Internet connection problems. Weak or unstable connection can disrupt audio calls or playback. Hardware issues. Faulty microphone, speakers, or headset can cause no sound. Server or platform issues. Temporary ClickUp service issues may affect audio functionality. If the issue continues, check permissions, test your microphone, update your browser, app, clear cache, or contact ClickUp support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.